A 4 ohm wire is doubled on it. Calculate the new resistance. So here I have a wire which is of a particular length, say L, and an area of cross section and resistivity rho. Now it is doubled on it, which means at this point here, somewhere at this point, it is folded up. So on folding up, we'll get a figure like this. Now we know the length, it is folded over it, so L by 2. However, the area of cross section is going to double. It's going to be here and here, double. So it will be 2A. And the resistivity remains the same. So in this case, the resistance we know is resistivity, length over area of cross section. In this R2, resistance equal to resistivity. Now the length is L by 2. Area of cross section is 2A. So if we just solve this a little bit, so it is rho L, this becomes 2A, and this becomes rho L 4A. Now resistance 1 over resistance 2 will be, so this is resistance 1 divide by resistance 2, that is R over 4A. So your R1 over R2 will be equal to, remember the division is at this point, so we have to do rho LA. Now we put division and rho L over 4A. So your R1 over R2 becomes rho L over A. The division you will make multiplication, hence take the reciprocal, and that would be 4A over rho L. Now this will cancel out here, so you get R1 by R2 equal to 4. Now we continue. We know our R1 here was given as 5 ohms, was given as R1. So here we will put 5 over R2, 5 or 4, which is 4 ohms. 4 ohms, that is equal to 4. So your R2 equal to 4 over 4, 1 ohm is R2. So the new resistance of this wire after it is folded becomes 1 ohm. So the resistance here decreases because the length decreases, area of cross section doubles. So resistance becomes now 1 ohm. From 4 ohms it becomes 1 ohm. If the length of the wire is doubled by taking more wire, what happens to the resistance? So here I have a wire, say of length L, area of cross section A, and resistivity rho. Now this wire is doubled by taking more, the length is doubled, so I have this, so I'll just draw it again, this plus another L. So now my length becomes 2L. Area cross section same, resistivity same. In case 1, we know resistance rho by L. And case 2 now, resistivity, area 2L, length is doubled, and this is A. This is wrong, so I need to find rho L by A. Now we need to do R1 by R2 to know what happens. So R1 by R2, so we have rho L by A, and that is divide by, means over, right? So divide by R2. R2 will be rho 2L by A. So your R1 by R2 will be rho L by A, multiply, division becomes multiplication, you need to take reciprocal. So R1 by R2 equal to, this cancels out, this cancels out, so you get here 1 by 2. That means 1 ratio is 1:2. So you see this resistance is double. The resistance doubles. The R2 is more than R1. Doubles. Or there's another way of looking at it. If R1 over R2 is 1 by 2, R2 over R1 is 2 by 1. So the R2 is double of the R1.